this is Elsie from Butterflies and Marigolds. Today I'm sharing with you a little bit more heart. 我们走心吧. This. Do you know your clothes talk about you? Like, as women, we are multitaskers. We are everything all the time to all people. Up to a point, sometimes we put ourselves right there, you know, where the camera cannot see, there. When it comes to priorities, we are there. But you know, as a fashion entrepreneur and as a woman who is also going through it, with all sincerity, all humility and kindness, I want to say very gently to you that at whatever season of your life you're at, your style is your responsibility. Okay? Your wardrobe is proof of your efforts thus far. So if your wardrobe is very, very haphazard, if you have a packed full wardrobe and you cannot find clothes to wear, there are signals to tell you that something's not going on too right there. Okay, so maybe during this time where it's locked down anyway, we have extra time at home, let's make ourselves a priority. Let's not put our style on hold any longer. Okay, so sometime back I made this planner, and the purpose of this planner is to help you style yourself intentionally so that the clothes in your wardrobe align with your current lifestyle, not the previous past lifestyle, the one now. This book will help you align your style goals, your wardrobe with your current lifestyle. Okay, so let's begin with the end in mind. Okay, we want to give you a head start. So if you give me your email address, click the link below somewhere, give me your email address, we will send you some worksheets from this wardrobe planner about awareness and also to help you get to know yourself, your style intentions. For example, what kind of compliments do you enjoy? You like people to say, wow, Elsie, you look so stylo today. Wow, Elsie, you look so chic. Wow, Elsie, you look so feminine. What works for you? How do you want to be complimented? How do you want to be seen? And what kind of lifestyle are you living so that the clothes will match your lifestyle and then you won't ever end up with an issue of, I don't know what to wear today. Okay, so give me your email, we'll get this out to you. Meanwhile, everybody stay safe and your style, your responsibility, you do something about it today. Cheers!